Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a virus from a laptop or a PC. We'll walk through a clear, reliable process you can follow right now to clean your system and get back to work with confidence. First, install an antivirus solution. If you already have one, make sure it's up to date and that real-time protection is enabled. If you don't, choose a reputable antivirus from a trusted provider and complete the installation. Avoid running multiple antivirus programs at once because they can conflict with each other and slow your system. Updates are critical here. They include the latest threat definitions that help the software recognize new malware. Next, disconnect from the internet. Unplug the Ethernet cable or turn off Wi-Fi. This step prevents the malware from communicating with its source, downloading more components, or spreading to other devices on your network while you clean the system. Now, restart the computer in safe mode. Safe mode loads only essential drivers and services, which makes it harder for malware to run or hide. Use your system's safe mode option. On many machines, you can access it from the restart menu or through your system's recovery settings. Save any open work before you begin, because your computer will reboot. Once in safe mode, delete temporary files. Clearing temp folders reduces clutter and can remove scripts or installers that malware often uses to reinfect the system. On Windows, you can use built-in tools like disk cleanup or the storage settings to clear temporary files and your recycle bin. This frees up space and can speed up the scan you're about to run. Then, run a virus scan. Choose a full system scan rather than a quick scan so your antivirus checks all files, folders, and startup areas where threats tend to hide. This can take some time, so keep your device plugged in and avoid using it during the scan to let the process run efficiently. When the scan finishes, delete or quarantine any viruses found. Deleting removes the files entirely. Quarantine isolates them so they can't run but lets you restore them later if something was flagged by mistake. If you're unsure, quarantine is the safer option, and you can review the results after the fact. Finally, rescan and reboot. Run another full scan to confirm your system is clean, then restart your computer normally. After the reboot, your system should be stable and responsive again. If the antivirus continues to detect threats or performance is still unusual, consider seeking professional support or using your antivirus vendor's specialized removal tools. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.